With Skills Plus, you set the taxonomy. You integrate the systems that matter. You identify the skills that matter most and how your organization wants to evaluate those skills. You set up the processes to keep skills data fresh, and you choose the balance between inference, input, and assessment. Degreed tracks and maps more than 200,000 distinct skill labels. The average Degreed customer integrates with over 30 other solutions. Notice here on the screen that you can see a pretty typical Degreed integration setup. Skill data everywhere. When we released the first version of Skills Plus in March, we laid the foundation for you to create a baseline of common definitions of skill levels across your organization and within the Degreed platform. Enterprises worldwide are already using this solution in production, preparing for future releases that will tackle the skills challenge even more. With our next release, we're adding functionality to ingest, clean, update, and map skills to users, content, and operations where your employees actually engage in upskilling. Here, I've navigated to Skills Plus, where you can see we have already ingested multiple skill sources. We've heard over and over again that our customers want to be able to choose their skills and how they are defined. They want these skills mapped to their HRIS, and they want control. With Skills Plus, we do that. I'm selecting the HRIS skill source as a primary to kick off the normalization process. Here's an inventory showing all the data connected to Skills Plus. The most important part is the skills your organization uses to drive employee experience and ensure business outcomes. That's where we want to make it easy for you to focus. You'll note that our processing is done, and we've got some suggestions to manage. Let's take a look at what our normalization process provides by drilling into the skill AI Augmented Innovation. We click through to see suggestions. This is how we help enhance your skills with default descriptions, translations across 10 languages, and default skill mappings. In this case, I'm not going to choose the recommended skill name or description because for our organization, AI Augmented Innovation is a critical skill that we need our teams to develop to our standards. I will accept the synonym mappings. These mappings are the magic glue that ensures better data, better personalization, and more relevant learning. We're also enabling proficiency level descriptions specific to each skill so you can define what each level of expertise means to your organization and automatically tag learning content accordingly. With the click of a button, I've created the editable descriptions that will power the experience throughout Degreed. Now, I've shown a lot of administration, but the next part is really the exciting part. With Skills Plus, when you press publish, your entire Degreed front end changes. It's reconfigured so that your employees are guided to interact with the skills relevant to their roles, their gaps, and your desired business outcomes. No other vendor can do this, but Degreed can. Synonyms are merged to clean up duplicates. Irrelevant skills are archived, but most impactfully for learners, the experience changes. This means that personalized recommendations are tailored to each employee's skill profile and proficiency, all aligned to the skills that are most important for your organization. See here, I've navigated to an employee profile. I see that AI Augmented Innovation is a new suggested skill for Jane. She can add it and rate it with those custom level descriptions. And when it's added to her profile, she can see all the important data around the skill that drives her experience. In the end, this fosters growth and engagement, leading to better outcomes for your business.